हेलो गाइस, तो कैसे हो आप लोग। स्वागत है हमारे चैनल पे। तो आज हम आर्डिनो बेसिक्स के 35 इंपॉर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चंस करेंगे विद द आंसर्स। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज द मेन माइक्रो कंट्रोलर यूज्ड इन द आर्डिनो यूनो इज Atomic 2560, PIC 16F877, 80 Mega 328P, and ARM7. The correct answer is option number C. Next question. The next question is Arduino Uno presents at the which voltage? 3.3 voltage, 5 voltage, 9 voltage, 12 voltage. The correct answer is option number 5, 3 voltage. Next question. The tilde symbol on Arduino digital pins indicates ground pin, PWM pin, analog pin, power pin. The correct answer is option number B, PWM pin. Next question. Which functions runs once in Arduino code? Loop, setup, main, start. The correct answer is option number B, setup. Next question. Which functions runs continuously in Arduino? The first question setup, the second question begin, the third question, the third answer loop, the fourth answer run. The correct answer is option number C. Next question. Analog and digital signals are continuous signal, discrete signal, binary signal, pulse signal. The correct answer is option number A, continuous signal. Next question. Digital signal has value infinite, continuous, 0 to 1 variable. The correct answer is option number A. The next question is digital signal are value infinite, continuous, 0 to 1 variable. The option number C is the correct answer, 0 to 1. Next question. Conversion of the analog signal to digital signal in the called is called DSC, ADC, modulation, sampling. The correct answer is option number B, ADC. Next question. Arduino Uno ADC regulations is 8-bit, 10-bit, 12-bit, 16-bit. The correct answer is option number B, 8-bit. Analog pins in Arduino Uno are A0 to A3, A0 to A5, A0 to A7, A0 to A9. The correct answer is option number B, A0 to A5. Next question. IR sensor. IR sensor is standard for internal radiations, infrared instant response, internal receivers. The correct answer is option number D, infrared. Next question. IR light is variable, invariable, blue light, green light, invariable. Option number B. IR sensor is commonly used for temperature management, object detector, voltage measurement, current measurement. The correct answer is option number D, object detector. Next question. IR sensor work based on sound wave, light reflection, magnetic field, heat conditions. The correct answer is option number B. Next, the main components of an IR sensor is are IR leader and photodiode, transistor and diode, capacity and inductor, relay and motor. The correct answer is option number A, IR, LED and photo diode. Next question. LDR stand for light depend resistor load CT resistor, light digital receiver, light detection relay. The correct answer is option number A, light dependent resistor. LDR resistance, when the light increases, decreases, constant, infinite. The correct answer is option number B. LDR is used in stand light, ratio, television, amplifiers. The correct answer is option number A, street lights. Next question, LDR work on the principle of photoconductivity, induction, magnetism, capacitance. The correct answer is option number A, photoconductivity. Next question, the darkness LDR resistance is low, medium, high, 0. The correct answer is option number C, 0. High. Sorry. Option number C, high. Next question, ultrasonic sensor measures voltage, distance, temperature, pressure. Distance, option number B is the correct answer. Next question, example is ultrasonic sensor LM35, HCSR04, DHT11, MQ2. The correct answer is option number B, HCSR04. Ultrasonic sensor use infrared wave, sound wave, magnetic wave, radio wave. The correct answer is option number B. Distance is calculated using a speed of sound and time, voltage and current, resistance and current. The correct answer is option number A. Next question, the triggered pin is used for receive echo and ultrasonic plus para white power ground connection. The correct answer is option number B, ultrasonic plus. Next question, the echo pin is used to send signal, receive deflected signal, power supply, ground. The correct answer is option number B. Next question, ultrasonic sensor connector work in vacuum because no electricity, no sound propagation, no light, no magnetic field. The correct answer is option number D. Temperature sensor DHT11 measured temperature only, humidity only, temperature and humidity, pressure. The correct answer is option number C. Next question, DHT22 is less accurate than DHT11, more accurate than DHT11, same as DHT11, only humidity sensor. The correct answer is option number B, more accurate than DHT11. Next question, DHT sensor use analog signal, digital signal, magnetic signal, optical signal. The correct answer is option number B. Next question, number of the bits sent by the DHT11 data package: 16 bits, 24 bits, 40 bits, 64 bits. The correct answer is option number C. Next, typical delay between DHT sensor reading 1 mg, 10 mg, 2 seconds, 10 seconds. The correct answer is option number C. Next question, general Arduino sensor questions. General Arduino sensor questions. Now we अपन देखेंगे Arduino communicate with the computer towards Ethernet, USB, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. The correct answer is option number D. Voltage label for high digital signal in Arduino Uno: 1 volt, 3 volt, 5 volt, 12 volt. The correct answer is option number C. Next question, Arduino IDE used to digital circuit wire and upload code, measure voltage, power, sensor. The correct answer is option number B. The correct answer. Thank you.